Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. I have been missing in action for a week. I've had to work out of town, so I have not been able to create anything. And I didn't have anything created and ready to post. Been a little behind. Summertime, you know, you're outside a lot, so you just don't have enough time to get things done. So I am back. I am back to creating. Today is the first day, and I am not happy to say that things are not going well. I have tried a couple of pieces today. One that just did not turn out the way I liked. The other one, my studio lights fell over and hit my piece. So, ruined it. So I've scraped off the canvas. I'm gonna retry. We're gonna do a Dutch pour. It's gonna be on a 20 by 24 canvas. So I'll get you down on the canvas. We'll try it again. I'll be right back. Okay, so as I said before, we got 20 by 24 canvas. And have you ever just had one of those days you think to yourself, maybe you shouldn't pour, things aren't going well, maybe you should just stop. Maybe that's the case today. I haven't painted in a week and I've been dying to paint. I wanted to get back to paint and, you know, things just go to poop. So sometimes it makes you wonder whether or not you really should paint or if you should just hold off. I'm using a different white today. Today I'm taking a crack at the Blick White because we all know about the whole artist loft issue, so I'm not going to go into all that again. But so today I've mixed up Blick. I got a half gallon from them, and so that's what this is here. Same consistency I mixed, 80 grams of Floetrol, 40 grams of paint, 35 grams of water. I like my paint a little on the thinner side. So that's what that is. And the colors I am choosing are 7 colors. So I've got Creative Inspirations Paynes Gray. Paynes Gray is my absolute favorite color ever. I'm going with the Amsterdam Pearl Green. Never used this one, so I'm interested to see how, supposedly this will give off a green kind of a shimmer to it. We'll see. DecoArt 24 karat gold, Liquitex dioxazine purple. I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of Amsterdam titanium white just to kind of break up between the purple and this next color, which is a pearl lime green. And I got another new color, which I'm very excited about. I like bright colors, so I thought I'd give it a try. That is the Holbein Luminous Opera. I ordered some Holbein colors from, I believe it's Blick, and a couple of them were on back order. I wanted that indanthrine blue. Canella uses that color a lot. I love the way that color comes out. So I wanted to do something with a really bright pink. The only thing is I plan to put this on last, but I'm going to put it on very light because I don't want it to take over because that's a really bright color. So, and I'm doing this on a white background, so that's going to make it all pop too. All right, so what I'm going to do is I will flood the canvas. I'll speed you up so you don't have to go through all that. And I'll be right back. Let's get going. Here's the pearl green. Don't know how this is going to come out because I've never used it before. The gold, again, another color we don't want to use a lot of because it does take over sometimes. dioxazine purple. So I'm going to layer just a little bit of this white. I'm wondering if I should do that. We shall see. Pearl lime green. Now this Arteza color is just gorgeous. Hoping these colors play well together. And for the final one, the brand new Holbein. I'm not going to use a lot because I don't want this to eat up everything. There we go. All right, let's torch this for some bubbles. See a few popping up. Too high. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start here, kind of blow down a little bit into the negative space, and then blow this way, and then, oh my, I'm not even gonna say anything. Let me just continue on, and then I'll move my wheels. Okay. Okay, I'm liking this. Kept the negative space over here. You just got to play with the composition, get the petals right. But I'm loving it. The pink does not overtake. You could kept this lime green, the pearl lime green. We're making a lot of cells over here. Yes. Okay, let's play with the composition. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of color in here. Instead of scraping, Gonna see if I can get some color into that petal. Let's see if I can get in here, blow it without getting this into it. Okay. All right, I'm going to scrape my edges, and then I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. I will be right back. All right, here's the wet result. I'm going to start up here in the right corner. I turned off the overhead lights so you can see what I'm getting over here. Wonderful color reaction. And, you know, when you're dealing with different brands of paints and you're dealing with metallics, you're going to get that cellular reaction. So that is just beautiful. I loved how the colors didn't get muddy. I'm learning a little bit about color theory and which colors to put together, how to read the color wheel properly to get the decent non-muddying effect, I would say. So just loving the colors. The pink didn't take over, which is great. Here you see the gold, but you also see that pearl. So I think when this dries, you're going to see more of that pearl green out of it. Look at the shine and shimmer in there. Wow. Just look at all of the lacing and the cells. Could not be happier with this. Left this negative space over here, which is great. So, all right, once this dries, I'll get this up and let you see that. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here's the dried result. I like this a lot. I like the color combination. I would have liked my petal blowout better. I've got to figure out my blow dryer attachment. I think I'm having some issues with that. So I still love this piece though. The colors and the cellular reaction we got with this is really gorgeous. So I'll bring you in here for a close-up. I'll let you see how it dried out. Beautiful. See that pearl lime green in there? Just a gorgeous color combination. Again, my Paynes gray. You can't go wrong with Paynes gray. Gorgeous here. You get to see that pearl kind of just lightly through there. So I'm kind of looking for more petal-like edges. See how these are all like gadget edges? You know, I try to smooth those out a little bit. I want something more like a petal flower-like. I don't mind these kind of edges because I think it adds a little bit of contrast to the piece, so it doesn't always look the same. Everybody's got a Dutch pour technique and everybody has different ways of blowing out their petals. And not that I don't like the way people do it, they get rounded petals, but you know, I would like to create some rounded petals, and mine right now with the blow dryer attachment that I have is creating these gadget edges, you know, these rigid edges. So I need to get that fixed. Here again, you can see where that gold and the pearl green is kind of mixing in there. So, but I love this, and I actually like this Blick White. It's actually whiter than the Artist Loft White, which is pretty great. I like that. So, all right, everyone. As usual, if you're interested in any of my pieces, you can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. And if you're liking what I am making, help me out. If you subscribe to my channel, that really helps me grow my channel. So if you like the pieces, leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do have a new piece coming out and any new video content. All right, everyone, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.